In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online, updated to reflect the most current steps. Whether you're a business owner or a financial professional, understanding how to secure your financial data is crucial. So, let's walk through it together, ensuring you're confident every step of the way. To start, you'll want to log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This is your gateway to a variety of settings and options. Click on that gear icon. It's an important feature that provides access to various administrative controls for your QuickBooks account. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the gear icon, look for the option that says Backup Company. This is the section dedicated to managing and creating the backups of your financial data. Once you click on Backup Company, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll see a list of all your previous backups. This list helps you keep track of all the backups you've made, providing peace of mind that your data is stored safely. Let's move on to the main task, creating a new backup. Immediately on this page, you'll find the option Run Manual Backup. This is what we're looking for. Clicking on Run Manual Backup initiates the backup creation process. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for ensuring that all your financial data is securely stored. Once you select this option, QuickBooks will begin compiling your data into a backup file. Depending on the size of your data, this could take a few moments. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a backup of your QuickBooks data. This entire process might seem simple, but it's an essential measure to protect your vital financial information. Regular backups are crucial, especially when dealing with important data like financial records. They provide an extra layer of security in case of unexpected events, like data corruption or technical issues. To ensure maximum safety, you should consider setting a regular schedule for your backups. While today's tutorial focused on a manual backup, QuickBooks also offers options for scheduled backups, which could streamline your process and make sure you're covered without having to remember every time. So there you have it. A quick and easy method for backing up your QuickBooks Online data. Remember, consistency is key in maintaining data security, so make a habit of this process. By staying on top of your backups, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on these steps. Until next time.